Every deep neural network, no matter how enormous, is built from one tiny piece, repeated millions of times. Get this single piece, and all the rest is just scale. It is called a perceptron, one artificial neuron. Let's build one from nothing. Here is the whole idea. A neuron takes in a few numbers. Think of each one as a piece of evidence. Is it sunny? Is it the weekend? Each answer becomes a number flowing in from the left. But not every piece of evidence matters the same, so each input gets a weight, a number for how much it counts. A large weight means this input strongly sways the decision. A negative weight means it pushes the other way. Now the neuron does one simple thing. It multiplies each input by its weight and adds them all up. One weighted sum. That single number is the neuron's gut feeling about the decision. Then we add one more number, the bias. The bias sets how eager the neuron is to fire in the first place. A high bias makes it fire easily. A low one makes it stubborn. It just shifts the whole threshold. Finally, the activation. If that total clears 0, the neuron outputs a 1. It fires. If it falls short, it outputs a 0. A clean yes or no, squeezed out of a pile of weighted evidence. That on or off rule is the activation function. The simplest one is a step. Below the line, output 0. At or above it, output 1. A hard switch, no in between. Let's watch it decide. Should I go outside? Sunny? Yes, that's a 1. Raining? No, a 0. Free time? Yes, a 1. Multiply each by its weight, add the bias, and the total lands above 0. The neuron says, go. So where do those weights come from? We do not set them by hand. We show the neuron labeled examples, and every time it guesses wrong, we nudge the weights a little in the right direction. Repeat that thousands of times, and it tunes itself. Picture the inputs as points on a map. The neuron's real job is to draw one straight line, with green on one side and pink on the other. Learning just means sliding and tilting that line until it splits them cleanly. One neuron, one line. But here's the catch that stalled AI for years. Some patterns cannot be split by any single straight line. This one, where the matching corners belong together, has no line that separates them. One neuron simply cannot solve it. That is its hard limit. The fix is beautiful. Take many neurons and stack them in layers, feeding one layer's outputs into the next. Each still draws its own straight line, but together they can carve out any shape at all. That stack is a neural network. So, 3 things to keep. A perceptron is one neuron, weighted sum, bias, activation. On its own, it can only draw a straight line. And stacked in layers, these same simple neurons become deep learning. Want to play with one yourself? There's an interactive version on Unrote.com, and the link is in the description. That's the perceptron, the atom of every neural network. Next up, how a stack of them actually learns.